10 years. I've always been in software. I cannot write a single line of code. I'm not the developer. I was the CEO, the founder, the visionary, the marketing and sales. Made millions and spent millions to build things. I know that the chance of this going away is pretty much zero. It is actually time. AGI is here. AGI is real and you can use it today. Welcome to our weekly journal entry. And I'm having a hard time trying to figure out how I pack all of this that is happening right now into this video. It's not gonna be easy because it's a lot. Like in the last 10 days, we're in an absolute lock-in. It's the final lock-in. It's the great lock-in. It's absolutely insane and we're having an insane time. We're on the spot 16 hours a day, non-stop grinding. I now have the output of 30 employees and I'm much faster with higher accuracy and I can just fucking build whatever I want. I built multiple websites for my SaaS companies and launched them and had great results in just one day. And I've never written a single line of code. I don't know how to code. I still don't know how the terminal how it does all these things, right? At this point, I have paid more than $100,000 in my lifetime as an entrepreneur for websites, for website designs and for graphics and elements for the website, for a landing page. And now the world gives me this where I can just say what I mean and I just get it. On top of it, I've built more than 100 SEO optimized, keyword analyzed, more than 100 each for LeadGram and for DM Tracker and posted the blog. I just built the DM Tracker SEO dashboard. I just connected my Google Analytics API, Google Search Console API and whipped this out with Claude Code. And I'm gonna host it online now so my whole team can see it. It's so much better than Google Analytics, bro. Look at this. So much better than Google Analytics. It is clean. It's first shot as well.
SEO?
All the SEO is in here from Google Analytics pulled and I can just...
You're generating articles, right?
Yes, I just generated 80 of them today. I've used frameworks like Astro to make this seamless and perfect. And yeah, there is so much I could share. I built like 20 different crazy tools, YouTube generators, idea machines. I connected meta ads to an AI agent, which is automatically sorting the good ones, the bad ones, creating new creatives, uploading them.
Such a good V1 to get on film, bro. Like you'll see within like a week.
If you had like a faceless channel, this would fucking bang on that, bro.
Yeah.
And then you
and also, bro, first iteration,
what is this
there was no
bro,
iteration.
this is the I just told it to build out this entire fucking pipeline. Went back and forth like 3 times, and then I was like,
the transcript and stuff,
so I just give it a video idea, like the topic or the title. It goes to YouTube, finds other videos that performed well, gets the outliers, downloads the thumbnails from them, sees why they works, and then uses fucking Nano Banana Pro to generate 10 different variations of thumbnails for like me to check and approve. And this is like the first version of this. Like if you train it better on like Liam's channel, for example, and like the channels that you want to take inspiration from, bro, this is gonna be fun.
So many things, command centers, dashboards from my company with all the data from everywhere. Finally, something that I can put together. I'm spending thousands a month on retainers of some SaaS tools that give me some advantage like Baremetrics where I can connect multiple Stripe tools and it shows me my numbers. I pay like $3,000, $4,000 per year for that, which is gone now. I can literally cancel it. I'm just rebuilding it. Plus all the other stuff. It's one dashboard with Google Analytics, with Stripe, with Google Search Console. You can search social media, your database, your clients, your users, everything is in there. Your calendar, go high level. You can connect it to anything that has an API or MCP. And this is literally sick. I could tell it in my call 2 years ago with Muiva. I've said something funny, tell me what that was. And it would fucking go ahead, go through the Fathom API. I mean, it already indexed mine. And then search that recording and come back with me with the funny part that I just said. So it's unlimited and fast.
Tell me what this is. What is this?
Yo, this is end-to-end AI generated. All I did was give it an idea. It checked for all the information. It generated the B-roll. It generated the video using HeyGen AI, and we're like looking at the output.
on it for hours.
And this is all with Claude Code.
All with Claude Code, built in like a day. Okay, now think about this. I took 24 hours to build this. Give me 24 hours more. Like watch it then, bro. It took 24 hours, but I was doing 3 other things at the same time.
If you are closing deals in Instagram DMs, you are losing 20 to 40% of your clients to missed follow-ups. That is 6 to automatically captures every single conversation and tells you exactly who to follow up.
Yo.
Script testing, team leaderboards.
Yo.
This is what we do.
One recovered client.
Emil has built an automated real machine. It auto-generates, it first of all does research on scripts, writes a nice script, knows everything about me, my company, the context, and auto-generates scripts, uses API of HeyGen, my avatar, API of 11 Labs with my voice, creates the video where I'm talking in front of the camera, all the videos that you can see on the Instagram account, omnifusion.ai. He recreates them now fully on autopilot. Until now we had a team, an editing team, who went there, went out, search for scripts, create the script, go to HeyGen, create the video, download it, create B-roll, edit it, publish it to Instagram. This automation does everything from start to finish. You can give it an idea, you can give it a raw video, you can give it just an automation, and it goes ahead, creates the HeyGen, creates the video, edits it correctly, adds B-roll, goes to the website that we are showing, the tool that we're talking about, scrolls on the website, creates screenshots, makes videos, and edits it together and posts it to Instagram on autopilot, and can do 20 variations at the same time and post all of them as trial reels and schedule them in without us touching it. If that's not crazy, I don't know what is. And do you know someone who would pay good money for this kind of system? I do, and we've built like 20 of these systems, Emil and me, in the past 10 days. Whew, yeah, you can see I'm hyped. But I think the world is changing right now. And I am deep into AI since 2.5, nearly 3 years now straight. And if I flip out like this with my co-founder who's in AI at the same time, because we've been through this together all day, plus Liam Ottley, who's locked in with us since a week. We're spending 10 hours a day together just geeking out, building systems, building stuff on Claude Code. With this AI opportunity, I see unlimited capability. A 17-year-old person from India is now as capable as a 17-year-old or 20-year-old or however old from the US. Because if he has a MacBook or if he has a computer that works, now he has unlimited capability without needing employees or anything else. Might not be the perfect comparison because there is still the subscription you need to pay per month, but with all the shit I built, one $200 per month plan is nearly enough. I barely need the other account. So never do this on API, it will burn thousands of dollars. Always do it with a max subscription inside of Cursor with Claude Code. That's how I set it up, at least. VS Code is the same thing. However, I don't want to go into specifics. This is just basically telling you that more about this is coming because this is life-changing. It gives life-changing opportunities, and I want to tell you how I am using it to run a 100K per month agency and 2 SaaS tools that are on the market, 3 at this point, 3 SaaS tools that are on the market in real time while still building shit that I really like. And without having a big team, right? Just with a couple of people, you can run a 100K agency and have multiple SaaS tools live and collect money from all of those without much headache if you have the right automation in place. We're currently 14, going down to 10 people now, and probably we'll go to 5 at some point. I mean, it's really hard to say, but that's where the market goes. Market always strives for efficiency, and if it's possible now that I can do things faster, better myself than telling to someone and waiting for a week, I know that the chance of this going away is pretty much 0. And on top of it, this is the worst it will ever be. And if this is the worst it will ever be, then I mean, the future is gonna be fucking exciting. What can I tell you? There's much more that I could tell, but I have to work, and we need to go to Akil because we have the lock-in sessions there. I'm going to bed at like 4, 5, 6 a.m. usually this week and wake up at like 9, 10 to go ahead with my day. I know it's not very healthy, but Liam said something super interesting yesterday. He's like, that's what we prepared for years, eating healthy, living healthy, going to sport, training, to be able to do shit like this for a week or 2. And that's totally true. I feel absolutely fine. I feel fresh. I feel relaxed. I feel hyped all the time, even with less sleep and going to the gym 1-2 times less per week, because this is the highest leverage thing that I can do right now, and it will also go down again after I've automated everything. But yeah, that's it, I guess, for today. It is an absolute insane time here in Cape Town.